Hi everybody, this is Elizabeth at Petals and Parchment. Welcome. I wanted to show you my newest project here. This is the Ice Cream Cone Notepad, and this is a project for Summer Jam with the Paper Bee Creative. And so these are the papers that you get. You get this double ice cream cone here and a bunch of scoops of ice cream, some sprinkles and cherries. Here are the pages for the notepad, and there's a couple backing sheets, some sprinkles, and like a waffle cone backing sheet, and then you also get these embellishments too. So these are really fun. So I'm going to show you how to put this together. So what I did was I cut out all of the elements. And first let me start by showing you my prototype. So I'm not sure if I can get that whole thing in the shot there, but this is my prototype, and this is what we're going to be making. And I've got this little notepad here, and then each one of these ice cream scoops actually flips up to have another writing space. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started on the project. So what you're going to need, these are optional, eyelets and an eyelet setter, and then you'll need a stapler and some scissors and some different hole punches. This is like a really super tiny hole punch. I'm not sure if you can see that very well. And then this is just the standard one. And I've got some bulb pins. All of this is optional. What I did, some glue. What I did was I inked everything ahead of time and cut it out. And so I'll just go ahead and show you what I've got here, and we'll get started. It's a pretty quick and easy little project to put together. So once you cut out the ice cream cone, you'll just fold it in half, and then you'll take all of the ice cream cone papers and put them inside and line them up, and then you're gonna just staple it right here, sort of a little bit down from the top. There we go. And then with the included sprinkles, this is what I did last time, just fold it in half, and you're gonna place it over the top of the staple to cover that and glue that in place. I'm so excited to be doing another project with the Paper Bee Creative, formerly Natty and Moon. We had so much fun for June-tober that I just had to do it again. We're doing a fun summer-themed collaboration here in August, and this was my contribution for that. So if you're watching this, thank you for joining us. We are having so much fun bringing you all these cool freebies celebrating summer. So I've got all these different ice cream flavors here to choose from, and I think instead of doing the 5-scoop cone, I'm just gonna do 2, but you could do it as tall as you want. I would recommend that if you're gonna do the tall ice cream cone that you print it out on cardstock, but if you just want to do 1 or 2 scoops of ice cream on your cone, then you should be able to do just regular printer paper, or should be fine. So for the first scoop, I'm going to use this blue cotton candy flavor. That was a request of my daughter when I was creating this printable. She just turned 6, and she said she definitely wants cotton candy flavor in there. So kind of looks like blueberry or something. So then all I've done is just glued on the back at the bottom, and then on the front at the top to join the 2 ice cream scoops together, and just line them up. And since you've already inked, it looks pretty good there. You might want to leave a little bit more of the sprinkles showing, but that's okay. And then I'm gonna do strawberry scoops. Then I'll turn it back over and just repeat the process. So I'll just glue at the bottom on the back side and the top on the front. And you do that as high as you want it. The sky's the limit. It does get a little floppy if you're using regular printer paper though, so definitely do it with the cardstock. You could probably even back them onto some cereal box or cardboard or something if you wanted to. So then here's a little dab of glue at the top. And we've got our little ice cream cone notepad. How cute is that? And then there's some cherries, so I'm just gonna add those to the top, but I was thinking about it. There's probably a lot of different things you could do, including putting like a grommet at the top. Would be really cute. Putting a bow at the top, or some sort of a dangle. I'll show you that in a minute after I get this cherry on here. And everything is reversed so that it fits back to back pretty perfectly. So super cute, right? And then you have this secret journaling spot. I did back my ice cream scoops with the sprinkles so that it just wasn't plain when you opened it on the inside to write. And then you can use the sentiments on the front, or there's different sentiments that have ice cream. You make my heart melt. That would be super cute. Another thing, I included a page of double-sided dangles. So these are super cute. You could put an eyelet somewhere and dangle the little ice cream cone from there. There's also little cans of whipped cream and chocolate syrup and stuff, so you can really let your imagination take over here. I also, this isn't the best bow, but if you had a grommet at the top, you could put a bow and then dangle this dangle from the top like that. That would be pretty cute. And then there's extra washi for, you know, you could decorate the inside pages of the notebook if you'd like. You really are only limited by your imagination, but it's a cute little notebook to put inside of a summertime journal. So I hope you like this activity, and this tutorial was easy enough to follow. Please follow me on social media. My handle is Petals and Parchment, and definitely, if you're not already subscribed and following Amber at the Paper Bee Creative, then please also join us there, because there's so many amazing freebies being given out and these fun events. She is really the queen of the queen bee of hosting events. I am just so thrilled to be participating in another one. So thank you, everybody. I hope you have a good night. Bye bye.